You can enter further practice information and manage user accounts in the User Administration menu. The name and address of your practice have already been completed by the MELAtrace Pro license file. You can also add your contact information in the text boxes. If you wish your practice logo to be displayed on the decontamination report, click on the 3 points and select an image file on your computer. Please save all changes and click on the User tab to add and manage practice personnel in MELAtrace Pro. Use the plus symbol to create a new user account. Now, fill in the text boxes and assign a user ID and password for the login to MELAtrace Pro. The user role is already pre-selected for the decontamination and approval process. Should the user be able to make any settings in MELAtrace Pro, please select the administrator role. You need to enter an administrator password to add a new user. You can also assign a user photo. To do so, click on the 3 points and select an image file on your computer. Clicking on Save will accept your entries.